Hello students, welcome to NEET'24 Physics Series part number 3. So, in this video, we will topic cover average acceleration and instantaneous acceleration. Okay, very simple topic. So basically, average acceleration definition is average acceleration is equal to change in velocity by change in time. Okay, change in velocity by change in time. So change in velocity means final velocity minus initial velocity upon total time taken. Okay, so this is average acceleration definition. And instantaneous acceleration other definition simple instantaneous acceleration okay, which is nothing but dv by dt. Okay, so one particular instant what is the acceleration instantaneous acceleration okay. Okay, in the problem a distance traveled by an object along a straight line in time t is given by s is equal to 8t square plus 3t minus 5. So in a question find the average acceleration between the time t is equal to 2 seconds to t is equal to 5 seconds. So நமக்கு average acceleration formula change in velocity upon change in time. So ஆனா கொடுத்திருக்கிறது ST equation கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, displacement time equation கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. அப்ப first என்ன பண்ணணும், நம்ம velocity time equation கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Okay, அப்ப velocity which is nothing but rate of change of displacement ds by dt. So அப்ப once differentiate பண்ணோம் அப்படினா which is 16t plus 3 into t differentiate panna 1, constant differentiate panna 0. So 16t plus 3. This is the velocity equation. This is my vt equation, right? இப்போ என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், நம்ம average acceleration கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், which is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity upon total time. So total time பார்த்தோம் அப்படினா, so t is equal to 2 second ல இருந்து t is equal to 5 second தான் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So total பார்த்தோம்னா 3 seconds. Total time taken is 3 seconds. So அப்ப average acceleration which is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity upon, so total time is 3 seconds. So what is my final velocity? Final velocity at t is equal to 5 seconds, correct? So 16 into 5 plus 3, so this is my velocity at 5 seconds minus, so what is my initial velocity? I mean velocity at t is equal to 2 seconds, so which is nothing but 16 into 2 plus 3 plus 3 whole divided by total time taken as 3. So which is equal to 16 5s are 80 plus 3, okay, minus 16 2s are 32, 32 plus 3 is 35 whole divided by 3. So which is equal to 83 minus 35 whole divided by 3. So subtract பண்ணோம் அப்படினா 83 minus 35 subtract பண்ணோம் அப்படினா 8 48. Okay, 48 by 3. So cancel பண்ணோம் அப்படினா, so 1 3s are 3, 6 3s are 18. So which is equal to 16 meter per second square. Okay, so this is my average acceleration. Okay, one more detail regarding acceleration is a vector quantity and its unit is meter per second square. Dimension பார்த்தோம் அப்படினா, dimension is lt power minus 2. So this is the dimensions. Some more information regarding acceleration. Okay, so in acceleration, what is my average acceleration is 16 meter per second square. So this is my average acceleration during the time interval 2 seconds to 5 seconds. Okay, right. So next question என்ன கேட்டிருக்கான் அப்படினா, find the initial velocity and the initial acceleration. Okay, so initial அப்படின்ற concept வந்தாலே what is the velocity at time t is equal to 0. That's it. Okay, so இப்போ initial கண்டுபிடிக்கணுமா, so அப்ப velocity v which is equal to, what is my equation, 16t plus 3, correct? அப்ப at time t is equal to 0, what is my velocity? So velocity v is equal to 3 meter per second. Okay, 3 meter per second. This is my initial velocity. Okay, this is my initial velocity. Okay, so next பார்த்தோம் அப்படினா initial acceleration. Okay, so அப்ப acceleration find out பண்ணணும். First of all, acceleration, I mean இப்போ velocity equation தெரியும், v is equal to 16t plus 3. So this is my vt equation. Acceleration கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் அப்படினா we need to know what is the at equation. Okay, so velocity v is equal to 16t plus 3. So அப்ப acceleration which is nothing but dv by dt, correct? dv by dt. So which is equal to, once differentiate பண்ணோம் அப்படினா 16 plus 0, so which is nothing but 16 meter per second square. So this is the acceleration. This is a constant value. Okay, this is a constant value. Okay, which is not varying with time. Time increase time nala acceleration la endha change me irukadu. This is the constant value. Okay, so average acceleration value பார்த்தனாலும் 16 meter per second square தான் இருக்கும். So instantaneous 16 because constant acceleration at every second the acceleration is 16 meter per second square. Okay, so I hope you understand. So up initial acceleration same 16 meter per second square. Okay, right. I hope you understand what is average acceleration and what is instantaneous acceleration. Okay, right. So these are the some basics regarding to acceleration. Right. So நம்ம next video என்ன டாபிக் பார்க்க போறோம் அப்படின்னா யூனிஃபார்ம்லி accelerated motion. What is uniformly accelerated motion அப்படின்னா so இப்போ நம்ம ஒரு டாபிக் பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா அதாவது acceleration constant value. Okay, so இந்த கான்செப்ட் தான் நம்ம நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோல பார்க்க போறோம். சரியா யூனிஃபார்ம்லி accelerated motion அதை பேஸ் பண்ண ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ். ஓகே ரொம்ப ஈஸி சைன் கன்வென்ஷன்ஸ் மட்டும் நம்ம ஞாபகம் வச்சோம்னா ப்ராப்ளம் சால்வ் பண்றது ரொம்ப சிம்பிளா இருக்கும். ஓகே fine, thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much.